Hey, my name is Jay Gordon. Welcome back to Azure FunBytes. This time we're going to talk about Visual Studio Code. Let's get into it.
Visual Studio Code, or VS Code, is a streamlined code editor with support for development and operations like debugging, task running, and version control. VS Code is free, available on Windows, Mac, and Linux. You can use VS Code to handle anything you want to write, thanks to integrated programming languages support right out of the box. Popular languages like Python, C++, C#, JavaScript, Ruby, PHP, and more.
Hi, I'm Jason Han with the Azure Cloud Advocacy Team. Visual Studio Code provides a number of extensions that allow you to integrate your development process directly into Azure. You can create resources, interact with the Azure CLI, or even right-click deploy a web app. It's all there for you in Visual Studio Code.
Extensions allow you to install or even create your own plugins to extend the features of VS Code. Today we'll focus on Microsoft Azure Extensions. There are large collections of extensions you can find in the VS Code marketplace that make it easy for you to build and host applications on Azure. I'd like to deploy a web app from VS Code to Azure App Service, so I'll install the Azure account and the Azure App Service extensions. Once I install my extension, I can go ahead and authenticate my session with Azure using my credentials and multi-factor device. Once that's complete, I can right-click on my app's root directory and select Deploy to Azure Web App. I'll configure the service plan, the web app, and then VS Code will deploy my web app and provide me details when it's completed. And just like that, my app is online.
For more information, documentation, and even to get $200 in free Azure credit, go ahead and click this link below. Once again, my name is Jay Gordon. You're watching Azure FunBytes, and I'll see you next time.